stress got you down? Discover the secret to everyday bliss with Body Restore Shower Steamers. The daily grind is taking a toll. Ever feel like life's stress just clings to you? From hectic schedules to restless nights, finding a moment to breathe seems impossible. The chaos leaves you drained, your shoulders tight, and your mind cluttered. Sure, spa days sound amazing, but who has the time or budget for weekly indulgence? And those generic shower products? They just don't cut it. You're left wondering, isn't there a simple, affordable way to relax and recharge, right in your own home? The quest for everyday relaxation feels out of reach. Until now. What's missing from your routine? In your hunt for self-care solutions, you've likely tried bath bombs, candles, or fancy lotions that promise relaxation but fail to deliver. The hassle of setting up a calming environment can feel more stressful than soothing. You need something effortless, something that fits seamlessly into your life. Enter Body Restore Shower Steamers, the ultimate answer to your relaxation dilemma. These small but mighty tablets dissolve into calming clouds of eucalyptus and mint, transforming your shower into a luxurious oasis. Suddenly, the end of the day doesn't just signal exhaustion, it becomes a ritual of rejuvenation. Effortless luxury, every day. Body Restore Shower Steamers are your stress-busting sidekick, offering a spa-quality experience without the hefty price tag. Made with natural essential oils, they soothe tension, clear sinuses, and invigorate your senses, all while you shower. Unlike cheap imitators that dissolve too quickly or leave a slippery mess, these steamers last through your entire shower. Perfect for anyone juggling work, family, and endless to-do lists, they're a hassle-free way to reclaim your calm. Whether you're starting the day or unwinding at night, these steamers fit right into your busy lifestyle. A self-care ritual that lasts. With just one tablet, the bathroom transforms into a sanctuary of calm. The crisp blend of eucalyptus and mint fills the air, washing away tension and fatigue. Every steamer is individually wrapped for maximum freshness, ensuring a potent aromatherapy experience every time. And it's not just for you, these steamers make the perfect gift, whether for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just because. Thoughtful, practical, and undeniably indulgent, they show how much you care. It's not just about buying a product, it's about investing in moments of peace and wellness. Relaxation within reach. The quest for daily relaxation ends here. Affordable, high quality, and travel-friendly, Body Restore Shower Steamers bring the spa experience to your home. No more costly treatments or elaborate setups, just pure, effortless calm whenever you need it. Perfect for busy moms, hardworking professionals, and anyone craving a quick escape, these steamers redefine self-care. Each shower becomes a journey of rejuvenation, a chance to pause and recharge. Why settle for stress-filled days when the solution is just a shower away? With Body Restore Shower Steamers, bliss is no longer a luxury, it's part of your everyday life.